Hey everyone, Mike here from Gadget Life. In today's video, I'm going to be checking out the mobile phone screen magnifier. This particular one has some Bluetooth speakers with it as well. I think it's actually kind of cool. And let's get right to it, open it up, see what's inside. All right, so it does come in kind of a plain, ordinary box, which is usual. But one of the things I think is kind of funny on the back, it kind of shows who it's for, and the funniest one here says, the best gift for the old. So that is a little insulting, but it's actually kind of funny nonetheless. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what's inside as we open it up. Here is the lens that uses to amplify or make your screen look a little bit bigger, maybe a lot bigger. Looks like here is the part that holds your phone. As you'll see there, that's what we're going to lean the phone up against. And it comes with your cable for charging the Bluetooth, I believe. Some instructions. And the actual Bluetooth speaker and part that actually holds the lens as well. It actually looks like it has a little subwoofer on the back here, which is kind of nice. But here are the two speakers on the front, subwoofer in the back. It looks like it has, I guess, a rechargeable battery kind of built in here. And your plug, actually, you would put it in the front here to charge the battery up. Then once you're done, you're good to go there. So let me go ahead and put this together and see how it looks. So this, I believe, just kind of gets pushed in to the top here, like so. Very simple. Again, here's the lens, and as you can see, kind of amplifies whatever's behind it. It actually has a rough edge, it has a smooth edge. I believe I read that you would put the rough edge towards the front, if I remember right. So anyway, it just kind of slides right into here. Well, hopefully it just kind of slides right into there. So holds it. And we flip this up. Now this will, little top part here will adjust, pushing this button right here in the back. There we go. For your phone. So I think it says, directions has it is good for phones that are, it's good for phones that are between 5.5 and 7.8 centimeters wide. What that is in inches, I have no idea. But I will take a look at my phone. Now I have the Note 20, which is obviously a little bit larger phone. I guess if you would have an iPhone or something smaller, maybe even a Galaxy S9 or something, it could kind of fit in there. And you can also adjust the distance as well here if you need to make sure it's in focus. So let me go ahead and put my phone on here, see how it looks. All right, I'll have the sound down for now until I get the Bluetooth hooked up, but just kind of give you an idea of what it looks like screen-wise. Hopefully you can see that. It does actually look pretty good. Here's the screen here normally, and then when you put it in there, it's much bigger. Now obviously I am not looking at it like you guys are right now, so I might not have it lined up perfectly, but you can definitely see that it's that way. So let me actually look at it myself and see what I think. You kind of get down low, but it's not bad. It kind of makes this, gives it kind of a curved look to it. Again, here it is for you guys to look at. I'm trying to line it up so you can kind of see without. Here we go. Oh, I'll get that light in the way. There it is there again. Take a look at it normally. And whoops, took it normally, and we'll put it behind there, and boom, there it is. So let me go ahead and pair this thing with my phone, and let's listen to the audio. Okay, first thing I got to do is turn on the on-off switch, and we'll hold it in.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Oh, it says it's ready to pair. So let me scan it. It is right here, available devices. Hit pairing. That's for the question.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, definitely a Chinese accent there. It says we're successfully connected.
Like the
a slight chance of some participation.
Action.
It's rain. It's going to bring a possibility of some rain that will be moving into our area.
Did you grab anything when you walked out the door?
Grab nothing
It does have
but
a
two
volume setting.
Tortino's pizza out of the refrigerator
Pause this
and
a
my
second.
dog.
Okay, I believe it has volume up and down. Okay, play it again.
And we left. That's it. I tried to grab some other things, but they wasn't even worth it.
Okay, so here we're able to adjust the volume. Push the volume up. So you can adjust the volume from the front up or down as well. And I believe if you do get a phone call, you can actually push a button to answer your call through this as well. So actually it's kind of neat. Let me take a look at it again. Does the job. It definitely makes it look bigger. And I think it would be kind of nice if you are like outside or at a table or something, and you don't want to be holding onto your phone the whole time. You can just go ahead and watch it this way, or if you have multiple people that want to watch it as well. But if I look at it from angles, it's almost like you have to look at it straight on, to be honest, to get the best view in it. When I look at it from the sides, it kind of cuts it off there. So I can a little bit understand how it's set on here, the best gift for the old. I mean, it definitely helps as far as the older people looking at phones, especially smaller ones. Like I said, I have the Note 20, which is a pretty big phone to begin with. But if you have a smaller phone, I can see this will definitely help that. And again, you can adjust the back if you need to go closer or farther away to adjust the focus. And the Bluetooth speaker works pretty well. And I think it's not too bad. All right, so there you have it. If you're looking for a way to increase the size of your screen when you're watching videos, this might do the trick for you. This one costs about $30, maybe a little under $30. Got it on Amazon. I will put a link below to if you want to kind of look at it yourself. They do have other ones out there that don't have the Bluetooth speakers. They're less expensive. So whether you want that or not, it's up to you. I think it does, for what it is, does a pretty good job. Like I said, enhancing the screen size of your phone. And according to the box, it's a great gift for old people, which I think is kind of funny. But anyway, there you have it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, and it will tell you anytime I come up with some more videos on this channel. Thanks.